Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks on self-care. Today's topic is especially important for those of you who have dry and damaged hair. Dry and damaged hair can be frustrating, and it can make your hair look dull and lifeless. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the best hair care tips to help you get back that healthy and shiny hair. First, let's talk about what causes dry and damaged hair. There are many factors that can contribute to dry and damaged hair, including heat styling, chemical treatments, excessive brushing, and exposure to the sun. Now, let's get into the tips for taking care of your dry and damaged hair. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Look for products that contain ingredients like argan oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. These ingredients can help to hydrate and nourish your hair, leaving it looking and feeling soft and smooth. Avoid heat styling. If you can, try to avoid heat styling your hair. If you must use heat, make sure to use a heat protectant spray to help minimize damage. Use a weekly deep conditioning treatment. A weekly deep conditioning treatment can help to repair and hydrate your hair. Look for a deep conditioner that contains ingredients like keratin, which can help to strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. Trim your hair regularly. Regular trims can help to remove split ends and prevent further damage. Use a wide tooth comb. When you're detangling your hair, use a wide tooth comb. This will help to minimize breakage and prevent further damage to your hair. Protect your hair from the sun. Exposure to the sun can cause dry and damaged hair. To protect your hair, wear a hat or use a leave-in conditioner that contains SPF. In conclusion, taking care of your dry and damaged hair requires a little extra effort, but the results are worth it. By using the tips we've shared today, you can get back that healthy and shiny hair you've been dreaming of. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips have been helpful. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay beautiful.